guys. So I received yesterday my Ice Cream Beauty box of July. So I have it here and I want to open it with you guys and show you what this month brings. So this is the card of July, which says the theme is Independent Queen. I love that. It brings all the prices here. And in case you didn't know, Ice Cream Beauty is a monthly subscription box which brings 5 makeup products and it guarantees an eyeshadow palette each month. It retails for $25 a month and I'm super excited. Let's see what I got this month. Okay, I see here in the bubble wrap, this is by Delanchi. I think I'm pronouncing that right. I'm not sure. It's a multi-chrome eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is just dedicated for multi-chromes. Ooh, let's see the information about this. This retails for $25 and it says these multi-chromes were made to shine bright in the beautiful summer sun. They contain shimmers and can shift between 3 to 4 colors. Let's see. They've been killing it with the multi-chromes lately in these boxes. I think it's been like 3 months in a row that it brings a whole bunch of multi-chromes and duochromes. And so far, I'm loving all of them. Ooh, it's purple. It's purple. Look how gorgeous. They're all lilac tones. The top 2 are more, I don't know if you could tell there. You see, there you go. This is the only one that's more pink. This is a lilac, purple, and like a deep purple. It looks so freaking beautiful. I gotta swatch these. Let's see. Oh, I already see the shift. They feel super, super soft. Very pigmented. Hopefully you can see it here on my fingers and now here. Look how beautiful they look. Oh, you can't tell the shift on this camera, never, but I'm telling you, it's so freaking beautiful. It is so shiny. I'm loving this. This looks great. Moving on to the next thing, I see here something from Queen. Okay, this is the Ice Cream highlighter by Queen Studio. It retails for $18 and it says summertime is all about the glowing skin, so of course we had to include a highlighter. What better shade than Ice Cream? This universal highlighter creates an instant dewy finish with a pearlescent glow. Apply 1 layer for a subtle effect or apply multiple layers for more intense highlights. I guess it's a cream highlighter. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this set this aside for a future giveaway. I think I am. First of all, I'm not too thrilled about highlighters. I use some rarely and I use the powder ones. So I think I'm going to set this aside for a future giveaway. I don't want to open it or anything like that because I don't want to touch it. Well, let me see if it's not sealed so I can show you the color at least. In case you're interested, you could participate in the giveaway. So it looks like this is very beautiful, the packaging. Okay, it has a little cap, but the highlighter's in there. It's a cream highlighter. So I'm going to close this up again, put it back in the box, and set it aside. That box won't close. Okay, so the next thing I see here is by Chantico Beauty, right? Yeah, I've gotten so many of these. It's like every box has these. I have one, it's somewhere over here. I have 2 of them laying around my desk here. Anyway, so this time it brought 2. Okay, these retail for $38. These are the liquid duochrome eyeshadows by Chantico Beauty. And it says we are including not 1 but 2 Chantico Beauty's liquid duo eyeshadows to allow you to experiment with even more chrome shades. The shades we chose are meant to be night or day. Feeling a little adventurous? These can also be used for your lips. What? I've never used them as for my lips. Now I know. So let's see what colors I got. Oh, look at this one. S1. Let me open the other one. Maybe I can include one of these in the broke the box though. The box is broken. I don't know if you're gonna like it like that with the box broken. And then this one, they look very similar. Can you okay, one is lighter than the other one. This one's lighter. I think I'm gonna keep one and put, but I broke the box. I don't know. You guys gotta let me know. Do you mind the box being a little bit broken? Some people mind, some people don't. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this one, and I'm gonna put this one aside just in case, and you guys let me know if you accept that like that. But I'm gonna swatch this one because I'm gonna keep this one. Wait until you see this. This is gorgeous. That is very pretty. Can't wait to try that. So the next thing I see here is this Ultra liquid lipstick, and I love their formula. They're so good. And I see this shade is called Hot Mess Mama. I completely forgot about Ultra lipsticks. They're amazing quality. I love the shade. The Hot Mess Mama liquid lipstick by Ultra Cosmetics retails for $20. Hot Mess Mama is a YouTube influencer who has 3 channels dedicated to beauty, blogging, and cooking. She has also been unboxing our boxes for 2 years and has always been an absolute pleasure. We knew we had to feature one product from her collection, and we are happy that we are able to do it. The quality and shade of this color is absolutely stunning. I agree, it's stunning. Want to purchase more? Hot Mess Mama Ultra Cosmetics have been kind enough to provide a code, which is Hot Mess, altogether, all caps, which can be used on Ultra Cosmetics to shop the rest of the Hot Mess Mama collection or any other Ultra product and save 20% off. That's awesome. I don't know who she is, but I'll look her up and see. So this is the shade. Yes, it's a gorgeous mauve or mauve. Some people pronounce it mauve, some people say mauve. Love it.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
I love those tones like that. It's gorgeous. Can't wait. Okay, and the last product I see is the palette, which is gorgeous packaging. Let me take it out of the plastic. The Ethereal Palette by Oakland brings 18 colors. The Ethereal Palette by Oakland Cosmetics retails for $19. So it says, to complement the various chromes included in this box, we have included a warm tone palette by Oakland Cosmetics. These shades can be used to create a smoky eye, to which the chrome shades can be applied on top of to complete the look, or it can be used on its own for everyday soft makeup looks. You know what this reminds me of? Of the Huda Beauty, when they came out with the swirly things like that, and these, which I think is horrendous. It's like balls. I want balls in my face. Balls. It's not even balls. It's like chunks of crap. I don't want to touch it. I just don't like texture like that for makeup. You know what I mean? I don't know what's the trend about it. I saw Huda Beauty coming up with that first, but I don't get it. Let me touch it for the sake of... Why is it so gooey? That's the color. But it's wet. It's wet and gooey. I don't like that. I will never use that shade. Never. I will never use that shade. The rest of the colors are mattes and shimmers. Let me swatch some of these. They feel soft. Ooh, look at that. Oh, I like that. I like it a lot. Let me try this one. And let me try a matte. Ooh, very pigmented. That's nice. I think I'm gonna like this palette a lot, and I'm definitely gonna use it in another video, except for this shade. So that's everything I got in my Eyescream beauty box for the month of July. Let me know if you have this box, what products did you like, what products you didn't like, and let me know all that good stuff in the comments down below. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. And in case you didn't know, Eyescream Beauty Box is a monthly subscription box. And in case you didn't know, which it includes 5 makeup. These shades, we 3 channels dedicated to beauty, vlogging. The Ethereal palette by Open Cosmetics retails for $20, to which the chrome shades can be applied on top. To which the chrome shades can be on top. To which the chrome shades can be applied on top of. So thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you.